Hello friends, today I am going to take you for a round in the world of fungi. Let's go. I am sure you must have enjoyed the tour. Thank you. Hello participants. Today I am going to talk about economic importance of fungi. Now n number of fungi are growing around us. Some are visible and some are not visible to our naked eyes. Now when they are growing around us, so naturally there will be some sort of interactions between us and fungi. So some of the interactions would be beneficial and some would be harmful. If we are talking about harmful uh, interactions, then there are fungi which are causing diseases to plants, human beings and animals. But there are many fungi which are beneficial to human beings and green plants. So we will try to understand which are those fungi which are beneficial to human beings. This is a very common and famous fungus known as penicillium. It became famous when Sir Alexander Fleming discovered the wonder drug penicillin from it in 1929, and he was awarded Nobel Prize for his research. It is widely used as therapeutic drug against many bacterial diseases. Penicillium is also used in the preparation of cheese. This is very common mushroom known as Agaricus bisporus. A wide cultivation is going on throughout the world because of its properties. It contains very high proteins, high minerals, and very low fats. This is single cell fungus called Saccharomyces. Commonly it is known as yeast, which is used in baking and brewing industry. This is a very interesting example of the fungus. The name of the fungus is Claviceps and commonly known as ergot. Now towards the apex of the inflorescence you can see two thick black color structures. These are nothing but sclerotia. These sclerotia are nothing but fruiting bodies of this fungus. Now these sclerotia contain a lot of alkaloids which are used in many medicines. This is again very common fungus called tuber which is edible. These are the fruiting bodies of another fungus which is very young, that is Lycoperdon, commonly known as puffballs. This is also used as food material. Here I am going to discuss some harmful aspects of fungi. Normally fungi affect crop plants and some wooden articles, then spoilage of food. So we'll see one by one. Now this is the photograph of Alternaria solani causing disease to potato plant at the early stage of the life cycle of the plant. So it is called as early blight of potato. This infection is caused to potato tubers by Phytophthora infestans in the latter stage of the life cycle of potato plant, and therefore it is called as late blight of potato. This is leaf spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. This is rust disease caused by Puccinia graminis to wheat plant. This is Ticca disease of groundnut caused by Cercospora arachidicola. This is the infection on the skin of human beings caused by Aspergillus through mycosis. This is our regular bread which is spoiled by the fungus Rhizopus. This is the appearance of fungi on leather, spoiling the leather. This is polyporus, which is wood rotting fungi. Thank you.